Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you about diffraction of light. You must have learnt about reflection of light and refraction of light. When a light returns back in the same medium after falling on any interface or any glass surface or any mirror surface, then it returns back into the same medium and it is called reflection of light. When it passes through another medium, when it passes from one medium to another, then it is known as refraction of light. The diffraction is a different thing. The reflection and refraction comes under the geometrical optics, but the diffraction of light is different thing. It shows the wave nature of light. Because whenever we see, actually we have learned that the light passes through a straight line. Light passes in a straight line. So according to this rule, when there is light in one room and there is a small hole, and through that hole, if just adjacent to the one room there is another room, then we see that some light passes in that room also through the obstacles, and this is only due to the wave nature of light. So whenever a light passes through any obstacle, just it bends round due to its wave nature, and it is known as diffraction of light. So this is diffraction of light. Now I tell you about, there are two types of diffraction. One is Fresnel diffraction, another is Fraunhofer diffraction. In Fresnel diffraction, either the source or the point of observation or both are at finite distances from the aperture or the obstacle, causing diffraction. The pattern can be easily seen with the naked eye and with the help of a magnifier. This is the importance of this Fresnel diffraction. However, in Fraunhofer diffraction, the source of light and the screen on which the pattern is observed are effectively at infinite distances from the aperture or the obstacle, causing diffraction. In practice, the Fraunhofer diffraction is achieved by making light from the source parallel with the help of a lens and focusing it on a screen with another lens placed behind the diffracting object. Now I tell you what is the difference between interference and diffraction. Interference is also due to the wave nature of light, and diffraction is also due to the its wave. This comes under the wave optics. So what is the difference? In interference occurs between the waves starting from two coherent sources. The two coherent sources, how the coherent sources develop, whenever there is a source of light and it is being divided with the slits, with the help of slit, there are two slits, then we see that those sources are known as the coherent sources, because there is a little phase difference or a constant phase relationship between these two sources of light, and so these causes the interference of light. On the other hand, diffraction is a different thing. In diffraction uh, in diffraction uh, the it is in diffraction, all the maxima are of the same intensity, or it can also be of different intensity. So in diffraction it is the case, but in interference pattern you see that the all the diffraction pattern, the fringes are all of the same intensity. The interference fringes are usually equally spaced. Always, the diffraction fringes are never equally spaced. So it just lessens. It goes on lessening, and it becomes smaller and smaller. Thank you very much.